Hi, I'm French Boland with Enterprise Signs. As you probably already know, the sign industry is large and diverse. Enterprise stands out from the crowd in many ways, and I'd like to briefly cover those highlights. First of all, Enterprise has nearly unlimited scalability. With thousands of local service partners and almost 200 full-time account managers, you can't outgrow Enterprise's capabilities. National brand conversions, LED retrofits, and on-demand sign repairs are just a matter of proper communication and planning. You're in control, but we do all the heavy lifting. Another important advantage for partnering with Enterprise is that our parent company, Ferrandino & Son, is a national facilities maintenance provider for paving, snow removal, landscaping, plumbing, electrical, and lighting programs. When you work with Enterprise, you not only tap into our 25 years of sign industry experience, you have easy access to any or all the other services we offer. Streamlining your national maintenance and overall retail brand experience has never been easier. There are many other reasons to work with Enterprise, but I'd like to leave you with one last word, and that's trust. How many times have you been surprised when the final invoice arrives? You're thinking, what part of firm quote did I miss here? If the scope of work didn't change, at Enterprise, a firm price is just that. No surprises. That's what long-term partners do. Look out for each other. Trust me, you'll see the difference.